Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Eneba coupon codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is to open up your web browser, and then we need to go to a site called Coupon Follow. So go ahead and click into Coupon Follow. And now from here we need to do a search. So type in Eneba and then click search. Here it is here. So now we're inside Eneba discount coupons and codes inside Coupon Follow. So these codes do change daily, weekly, monthly. So if you're watching this video at a later date, these will be slightly different. Then you might find better coupon codes as well. So to activate any one of these codes, just go ahead and click onto it. So if I want to use 15% off my order, click on 15% off. Then from here, copy this code and then paste this at the checkout section of Eneba to enjoy 15% off your order. These codes do expire, so if one code has expired, just move on to the next one.